Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and today I'm going to pick a winner for the Gu'Chet Happy Mail co-sponsored Yarn and Notions giveaway. So this is a Yarn and Notions giveaway that included the beautiful metallic mod yarn, a color wheel, and a whole bunch of other surprises that I just kind of pushed in there, including some one-of-a-kind stitch markers that the lucky winner is going to have. So I have gone to the YouTube comment picker here, and I have copied the URL right here, filtered out duplicate users, just one entry per person. I have excluded myself from being picked because I think that I commented back and I don't want it to pick me. I want it to pick one of you guys. So I did this math problem that was very difficult. And I am going to now find out how many people entered. All right. Wow, 375 people entered this giveaway. So you have a pretty decent chance of winning, at least compared to some of the larger channels. So I am about to start the raffle and pick a random winner. And just wanted to tell everybody good luck, and we will see who wins. Aisha Martawidjojo. Oh, forgive me. Aisha Martawidjojo. Any opportunity to hear about new-to-me yarn companies is welcome, and the chance to try new-to-me yarns even more so. Suggestions for other items to include yarn snips or mini scissors and a yarn cozy or sleeve. I was given one that's like the mesh of onion/garlic bags, only stretchier. Thanks, Cassie, and good luck to everyone. Now, what she's talking about, I had asked you guys that maybe you could leave a comment telling me some other things to include in giveaways, because, you know, I'd like to know what you guys want so I can include it. So that's what she's talking about. All right, Aisha, congratulations for winning. Everybody congratulate Aisha. Beautiful name. And Aisha, what I'm going to need for you to do is to contact me by sending me an email and telling me the address where I can send your goodies. Now, you can find my email in the description below, and you can also find it in the pinned comment, okay? So those are the two places you can find it to make sure you're spelling it right. It is nichecraftwithcassie@gmail.com. And I just wanted to tell everybody while I'm here, I'm still a little sick, but I'm starting to get better. And just so you know, the videos will come as soon as I start feeling better and better. I am going to start posting videos regularly soon. Just need a couple more days of taking it a bit easy, taking care of Greg because of course he's sick, and I'll be right back with you guys. And I've missed you guys, and I'm so excited to get back to posting my videos regularly. Otherwise, I will see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.